Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is Laura Whittle and today I'm going to be creating a super glowy skinned fox eye creation, heavily inspired by Charlotte Tilbury. I started off by curling my hair with a wand and brushing it out with a soft bristle brush. Ooh, bit of a tongue twister. If you're new here, thank you for joining my channel and watching my videos. If you don't already, please hit the subscribe button and the little bell notification to be told every single time I upload. Most people can do this look. It's super simple and it's quite neutral. A little bit different for me. Let's hop right into it.
I start out by prepping the skin with the Pixi Vitamin C lotion, patting that in all over the face. Now to get that extra glow, I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter in shade 4 on all the high points and then blending it out with a Morphe stippling brush. Make sure to do the décolletage. Now I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand in shade Goldgasm on all the high points and blending that in. You can see now my skin is ultra glowy. And then to add some more coverage with the NipandFab Foundation in shade 25. I'm using a Peaches and Cream large face brush to pat this in all over the face and down the neck. Don't neglect your ears. Now using the Barry Cream Contour Kit and a Peaches and Cream smaller face brush, this is like a denser brush, and just really carving out those cheekbones and the forehead. I use a patting motion to blend it in and then pushing it into the hairline. Starting out with small amounts and building that tone up. And now for the same thing on the jaw. I'm now squeezing the brush into a thin shape to contour the nose and blending that out into the brow bone and eye sockets and putting a tiny bit under the bottom lip to make it seem fuller. Now using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in shade C1 to base the eyes and then highlight under the eyes and at the edge of the eyes, down the centre of the forehead, the nose, the cupid's bow and the chin, and then blend that all out with a small face brush. I like to do under the eyes last so it starts to really warm up and melt into that skin. And then applying more on my smile lines and underneath the contour just to sharpen everything up. Going back in with that foundation brush just to pat everything in. And going in with the Airbrush Finish Powder by Charlotte Tilbury in shade 2 to mattify all those highlighted areas. Going in with the NYX Matte Bronzer now in shade Light and an Eco Tools face brush and just really bronzing up those cheekbones, the forehead, the jaw and the nose. Now going in with the PLouise base in shade Pretentious Peach to cream blush. It goes on quite strong but it starts to melt into the skin within about 10 minutes. Going back in with that Goldgasm by Charlotte Tilbury to add in that extra glow. Making sure I did the eyebrow bone as well. All those high points we've done before. Now going in with the Revolution Pro Microblading pencil in shade medium brown and drawing a line underneath the brow and then adding in individual hair strokes going upwards all the way along the brow. Now repeat on the other side, filling in any sparseness as you go. Now going in with the PLouise Oh So Beautiful in shade Mochaccino in the gel to spike the brows up and to darken them. I love this product. It's a tinted gel. It holds the brows in place and keeps them fluffy all day. Now going in with one of the Charlotte Tilbury quads. This was a limited edition one called Legendary Lights, and it's just a shimmery dark pink shade, which isn't actually that dark, but I'm using that all in the socket and the outer corner of the eye and underneath the eye as well. Any dusky pink shimmer shade will work here. Now going in with the Primark Beauty Nudes. This is like a gel kind of cream product, and it's really shiny and pigmented. I'm just doing that on a messy half cut crease and then going back in with that fluffy brush from before and blending all that together. Now going in with the same shade and just deepening the outer edge and that crease again. Now going in with the lightest shade in the Dolce Vita palette from Charlotte Tilbury and highlighting the inner corner. Going in with the dark shade, now the darkest burgundy shade in that Dolce Vita palette, to the top right hand corner, and creating that famous fox eye. So I'm using an angled peaches and cream brush, and I'm just starting off with the outer corner to get that initial line and angle going across the eye and then into the inner corner, then connecting that wing to the bottom lash line and starting to darken and smoke out that. I love using eyeshadow for this because it doesn't need to be as precise, but it gives that really soft fox eye look. Burgundy is really complementary to most eye colours, and I find it really makes my blue eyes pop. Just tidy that up with a PLouise flat brush, and then I'm going in with my favourite mascara, which is the Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Lash in 100% black, and I'm coating those lashes top and bottom and really building up that colour, rolling the wand towards my eye and wiggling it side to side just to separate and curl. I wait for that to dry and then I go in with eyelash curlers. This isn't advised, but this is the way I find my lashes hold the best, is when I put on a thin coat of mascara first, and then I go back in with additional mascara to hold that curl and set that in place. Now going in with the MAC lip pencil in shade Spice and creating a thick lip line going onto the lip and the outer corners of the mouth. Now going in with a Victoria's Secret Beauty lip gloss in shade Starstruck and going all over that lip line and the centre of the lips. I love this lip combo. And then I'm just brushing out those curls from before, making them extra soft waves with a Denman soft bristle brush.
And this is the final look complete. If you like this look, please subscribe, hit the bell notification and give this a thumbs up. Tag me in your recreations of this look over on Instagram. If you don't already and you want to see more from me, please go follow my socials at Laura Whittle MUA on Instagram and at Laura Whittle MUA on TikTok. And I'll see you again very soon. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Bye!